Introducing the Salt Blend Trio from Made In, crafted in collaboration with Jacobsen Salt Co, a renowned producer of hand-harvested sea salt on the Oregon coast, and known for exceptional taste and texture. The ideal partner for Made In's debut consumable product. These three flavored salts are inspired by the bold, nostalgic taste of the American burger, and built to elevate so much more. The first, Smoky Onion Salt. Deep, savory flavor with notes of caramelized onions and mesquite smoke. This blend delivers a profound, savory depth with a hint of sweetness. Next, the Pickle Salt. Tangy, briny, and bright, it captures the crunch of a classic dill. And finally, unlock the intriguing allure of Secret Sauce Salt. This unique blend embodies the umami-rich, subtly complex flavor of a craveable condiment, ready to transform everything it touches. While these blends were conceived to amplify the classic burger experience, their potential extends far beyond. Sprinkle smoky onion on grilled meats, let pickle salt wake up your chicken, and toss veggies or fries with the secret sauce salt and turn simple sides into standouts. These are more than just salts. They're your secret ingredient for unlocking new dimensions of flavor.